Off the coast of Alaska, in a place of breathtaking beauty, lies a small island. This island, with its serene landscapes and untouched wilderness, was once a hidden gem. Once it was known as Hawadax Island, a haven teeming with life. Birds, plants, and other wildlife thrived in its lush environment, creating a vibrant ecosystem. But its name changed to Rat Island, forever scarred by an invasion that tipped the balance of nature. The once thriving ecosystem was disrupted, and the island's natural beauty began to fade. It all began with a shipwreck. The remnants of this tragic event still linger on the rocky shores, a silent witness to the island's transformation. A Japanese vessel, likely carrying grain, ran aground near the island's shores in the late 1700s. This ship, on its ill-fated journey, brought more than just cargo. Unknowingly, it carried stowaways, brown rats, adaptable and cunning. These rats, hidden in the ship's hold, were about to change the island's fate forever. The rats quickly established themselves, finding ample food and shelter. They thrived in the new environment, exploiting every resource available. With no natural predators, their numbers exploded, transforming the island into their own teeming colony. The rats dominated the landscape, altering the island's ecosystem drastically. The pristine paradise of Hawadax Island was no more. The once beautiful island had been overrun, its natural balance forever altered by the arrival of rats had catastrophic consequences for the island's ecosystem. Birds, the most vulnerable inhabitants, suffered immensely. Ground-nesting species like puffins and auklets saw their eggs and chicks devoured by the relentless rodents. The air, once filled with their calls, grew quiet, but the rats' impact went beyond birds. They feasted on insects, disrupting the delicate balance of the island's invertebrate life. Plants too felt their presence, with seeds and seedlings consumed. The once vibrant ecosystem of Hawadax Island was unraveling. The plight of Hawadax Island did not go unnoticed. Conservationists, witnessing the devastation, knew they had to act. A bold plan began to take shape, to eradicate the rats and give the island a chance to heal. It was a daunting challenge. Rat eradication on such a scale had never been attempted before. Success was not guaranteed, but the potential rewards for Hawadax and beyond were too great to ignore. The stage was set for an ambitious ecological restoration project. Section 4. The battle begins. Eradicating the Invaders. In 2008, the operation to reclaim Hawadax Island began. This marked the start of an ambitious and challenging mission to restore the island's natural ecosystem. Helicopters descended from the sky, dispersing a carefully measured dose of rodenticide across the island. The precision of this aerial operation was crucial to its success. The bait was designed to target rats specifically, minimizing the risk to other wildlife. Scientists had meticulously formulated the rodenticide to ensure it was both effective and safe. Every effort was made to ensure the operation was as safe and effective as possible. Months of monitoring followed, with conservationists keeping a close eye on the island's recovery. The silence, once a testament to the rats' dominance, now held the promise of recovery. The island's natural sounds began to return, signaling a new beginning. Finally, the news everyone had been waiting for arrived. Hawadax Island was officially rat-free. This monumental achievement was a testament to the dedication and hard work. Section 5. Rebirth of an Island. Hawadax Rises. The transformation of Hawadax Island was nothing short of remarkable. Within a few short years, life began to reclaim its hold. Seabirds, once driven to the brink, returned to nest on the now safe shores. Their calls once again filled the air, a symphony of rebirth. Plants flourished, their seeds no longer under constant threat. Insects thrived, their populations rebounding. The intricate web of life, so severely disrupted, was slowly but surely being restored. Hawadax Island, once a symbol of ecological devastation, was now a beacon of hope. Section 6. A Beacon of Hope. Lessons for the Future. The success of the Hawadax Island Restoration Project offers invaluable lessons for conservation efforts worldwide. It serves as a model for how dedicated efforts can reverse environmental damage and restore natural habitats. It demonstrates the remarkable resilience of nature when given the chance to heal. The re-emergence of native species and the recovery of vegetation are clear indicators of nature's ability to bounce back. It highlights the importance of proactive conservation, of addressing threats before they become insurmountable. Early intervention and continuous monitoring are key to preventing irreversible damage. And it underscores the power of collaboration. Scientists, conservationists, and local communities working together to achieve a common goal. This collective effort ensures that diverse perspectives and expertise are brought to the table. The story of Hawadax Island is a testament to the transformative power of ecological restoration. It shows that with commitment and perseverance, degraded environments can be revitalized. It is a story that offers hope for a future where both nature and humanity can thrive. By learning from these successes, we can create a sustainable world for generations to come.